Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are discussing the exercise of your chapter 21, Development and Aging. Let's start with the MCQs. So the first MCQ is, how does a zygote is differ from an ovum? Option A, a zygote has more chromosomes. Option B, a zygote is smaller. Option C, a zygote is much larger. Option D, a zygote divided by meiosis. The right option is option A, a zygote has more chromosomes. Second question hai, a woman has several miscarriages. Her doctor suspected that a hormonal sufficiency was causing the lining of the uterus to break down as does during the menstruation, terminating her pregnancies. Treatment with which of the following might help? Option A, oxytocin. Option B, luteinizing hormone. Option C, follicle stimulating hormone. Option D, progesterone. The right option is option D, progesterone. Question 3 है, in human development, ectoderm cells migrate through the primitive streaks to form endoderm, mesoderm, chorion या yolk sac. The right option is option B, mesoderm. Question 4 है, the process by which a tissue causes an other tissue to differentiate is known as gastrulation, metamorphosis, cleavage या induction. The right option है option A, gastrulation. Question 5 है, which of the following has 3 germ layers? Option A, embryonic disc. Option B, blastula. Option C, gastrula. Option D, trophoblast. The right option is option C, gastrula. Question 6 है, which of the following consists of both fetal and maternal tissues? Option A, umbilical cord. Option B, placenta. Option C, amnion. Option D, allantois. The right option is option B, placenta. Question 7 है, identical twins result from the fertilization of one ovum, one sperm, one ovum by 2 sperms, 2 ova by 2 sperms, 2 ova by 1 sperms. तो राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए, 1 ovum 1 sperm. तो इसलिए हम लोग इसे मोनोजाइगोटिक फर्टिलाइजेशन भी कहते हैं. क्वेश्चन 8 है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर मिसमैच? एंडोडर्म लाइनिंग ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव ट्यूब, एक्टोडर्म सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, मेसोडर्म नोटोकॉर्ड, मेसोडर्म रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. तो मेसोडर्म जो है ये रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के साथ मिसमैच है. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs जो हैं वो कंप्लीट हुए. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. थैंक यू.